What's Pappy up to today? Doing some welding for cracks that were on this pedestal piece that you don't see in this picture because it's already apart. Let's see. Well, tore this apart because there were some cracks. Yeah, it's kind of down below this piece. You'll see there's some mounting studs where the pedestal, it's a metal piece in between, and it's cracked all around the base there. I'll just show you some pictures of that. Here it is after it's cleaned up. Took some of the paint off. You'll even see there's a crack clear around the side here. Almost came apart. The other side wasn't quite as bad. A smaller crack. So it's a puzzle pieces. Here's the first one, goes in there, that's the top, then there's a piece underneath here. In a minute I'll show you, but I'll weld around back there. I have to weld the crack. Here again, like I said, on bottom. So there's that top piece, and then underneath it, I have this piece coming in like that. We'll get them all welded in there and see how this goes. Of course, my welding is questionable, and keep things cleaned up is the important part. Dirt, paint, worst enemies. And of course, my welding techniques are a big enemy too. Let's give her a shot. All right, got the tack welding done. And as you can see, you get that the blue coloration. That's good because it's heat, good penetration, but it's also what causes warping. And that's why you tack weld from different ends, different spots along the damaged area, including caught the end of that crack right at the top there, and then around to the other side. And now we'll do a little cleanup, a little more welding and cleanup, and see what we get. All right, all cleaned up, threw a little paint on it. Yeah, it's not gonna get any body work. It's not like it's a car paint job. It is just a rider mower. Now, it's time for reassembly. Got quite a few little bits and pieces, as you'll see here. Just takes some time. This and that, some tie wraps, get all the wiring back in place, and make a machine of it again. Back in one piece. So originally it was cracked down here at the bottom, and when you pull it back and steering wheel, the whole piece would go back. Now it's nice and solid and ready for some cutting grass. When the spring gets around here, we'll do that.